So Kyle broke his collarbone racing on the dirt bike. So me and Yuri is gonna be helping him take over, pretty much finish off from where he left off at. Gonna be prepping the deck today. The balancer still missing a few hardware, so that's not gonna be ready to be thrown on until later. The head should be here tomorrow, Tuesday, and then I'm just gonna slap that in. Do we have all the gaskets as far as like the head gaskets and everything like that? Yeah, all the gaskets are ready. I'm not gonna get this bro. I got it. You sure? Yeah. Sure? 100%. That's high right there. All broken.
Our Department of the Navy.
Yeah. Like, you know what? I was so happy I left. I'm like, yo, I feel bad for people that are like,
just put the lifters in, about to bolt down the lifter trays. Prep the deck already, but I'm probably gonna wipe it down one more time, and then we're gonna slap the heads on. So we got headers, but still waiting on the X. I'm not sure what brand these are. Maybe Texas Speed. I didn't ask. And then we had issues with the radiator. The O-ring on one of the fittings for the trans cooler was expanded. So rather than, I guess, swapping that out or buying a new factory radiator, we're gonna get a aftermarket. I forgot what brand. So still waiting on that. Still waiting on the off-road X. Should we just run it open headers? What do you guys think? Driver side headers on. Now for the passenger side. Almost there. Got to put the push nozzle on this side. Rocker arms. Off cover. Torque it down and find accessories. Coming together.
John going over the signals with that second to string O-line. Escaping. And he's going to be...
Got everything put back together. Now we're reflashing it. Remote tune. Kyle.
Yo.
What are you looking at? Was it HP tuners?
HP tuner.
Hell yeah, baby. Know what you're looking at?
Nah.
Oil pressure. Bro, that can sound good. Started scanning it. Let's see what we got. Go ahead. Yep, go ahead. Yeah, just for the tune. Make sure it's accurate.
Yeah.
91?
Yes, 91.
Okay. It's low?
Yeah.
Fuel pressure is good, 57.
Yeah.
So right now it's on base tune already?
Yeah.
Reflash?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
on the bass tune that he sent me.
Okay.
He actually sent me 2 tunes. He sent me the first bass tune. It said if it ran rough on the first bass tune to switch to the
Second one?
second one.
Which is, okay.
Or on the first one, 'cause it's running fairly good on the first one.
And how do we verify that the reflash was successful though? Like, do you know?
There's no check engine light.
Okay, awesome.
So like, it'd definitely be throwing a light right now.
Okay. 'Cause I figured maybe my light was like based on the fucking O2 sensor delete from the
Yeah.
then from the headers and stuff.
It definitely loops.
Yeah. Got the draggies on. Mickey Thompson's E2 Street R 305 45 17. RPM, B3 cam, ported heads, hard tech intake. Yeah. We got the headers, but we had to wait for the X pipes to come in. So right now we're on factory exhaust, so it's not breathing as good as it could be. Have to clean this off. We were like stepping on it as a step stool. Oh yeah! Oh, look at that! God, strong, huh?
Yeah.
It's there.
Feels way stronger than it did before. That's for damn sure. They didn't give me a coolant light again, so we'll check it. But
Yeah, it's on.
yeah.
That's good. Yeah, because I mean, like I said, it stopped off. So it stopped smoking and everything.
It's only got 21,000 miles.
Yeah. Barely broken into. It is now 10 past 12. And here to do some street pulls. Get some data logging done. Boy.
I was just sitting on the couch waiting to hear the Z roll up.
Yeah? Nah. But the daily, I felt bad for your neighbors. So, what did he ask for? Just like a water pump throttle 4th gear?
I actually haven't really spoke to him much.
What?
Fucking the time difference is fucked.
Okay.
He's got a family and shit. So.
Okay. So, I mean, I imagine that's probably what he wants is,
Yeah, I'd probably say like 3rd gear pull, 4th gear pull.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that drivability needs to be worked on.
Yeah, it's a little rough.
I was looking at the cam earlier when I went home, and I'm like, I might do it. It was like $425 for the
Yeah.
B3. Yeah.
Yeah, it's tax free and probably free shipping, right?
I didn't look at all that, but
Yeah, I think
probably.
actually it's free shipping over like $700 for them. So you probably have to pay shipping, but
Okay.
it'd be tax free. They don't have taxes for Delaware.
Ready for our first pull. Gonna do it at 4th gear, 60 miles an hour. That's roughly about 2,500 RPM. 2,600 RPMs. Well, that's the truck in front of you. Alright, there we go. Yep. With the Mishimoto radiator right now, we are at 180 cooling temp and 145 oil temp. It's pretty good.
Yeah, coolant temp says 180 right now.
Yep. Yep. That's crazy. That's pretty good. Definitely worth the money. Ran out of road that first pull, so I'm gonna bust the UE and try to get the other way.